What is going on, Wolfpack? Guys, yesterday I gave you how to not be an idiot when you're trading, and some people like that, some people don't like that. It's funny, but I want to clarify that, whoever this poor excuse for a trader was, they just didn't make any money. And my point was, I don't care if they sell. That's why we're here. I want them to make money. And you should too. You should want everybody who's involved to make money, because if they have a good experience, then guess what? They're going to come back and they're going to continue to be invested. This person, from what I was looking at in their wallet, they were craving the D. That's really all it was. They wanted some nice big D. And by that, I mean Dave Portnoy, jail stool, prison dente, whatever dumb stuff they were ending up buying. They ended up dunking and they lost their money, by the way. So, I want them to make money when it's my project. When they're just doing some scam shit, I don't really. So, let's talk about SWP. Wanted to break this down for you one more time because guess what happened? We got a nice big reversal, and I want to show you what it looks like. So, there's a chart. From that impulse move, we had that big rise up there, and then what did we get? Now, what I tell you all the time is these breakouts tend to look like this. You get the ride up, then you get the move down for the dump that comes into this range or into this range, depending, and then the reversal tends to come up to this area right here, and then we get a move back down here to consolidate. Now, if the consolidation is solid like this, then you can expect a move into this range and then a quick and strong bounce popping out here most likely and sending us to that next stratosphere. That is the optimal occurrence. There are many different ways to do this, and by the way, momentum really does matter. So looking at it again, you have this bump up here, you have this move down here, you're currently in this trend, hopefully to the 236. Now, in the event that we do that, that's going to be a full-on confidence move right there, but that's going to create this, all right? So, and it comes back down, it has to break above into this range again, and then have that breakout move. That's what we really would like to see. Now, whether that happens or not, I'm just showing you that those are the things that I've got my eye on. Now, the other thing that I've got my eye on is you. I'm just kidding. I meant the holder wallet. Okay, now, we are way up from where we were the other day. We had 3.2 million. We had a really good decline, but then we had sold off. And by the way, it doesn't matter how they sold off, even if they did it the idiot way by selling it all at one time, or whether they had broken it up and done it the way I said so that they actually made money and didn't continue to be a brokey. Even with that, the idea here is they were going to sell no matter what. It was going to put money back in. So what we need is we need new buyers to step in to continue buying up that supply, because we did not get into that price squeeze that I was talking about. So what we need is some strong buys coming in over the next little while, pumping that price up, because in the meantime, remember, radium goes out at these prices and everybody who's selling puts it back into the pool. So you're adding 25,000 right here. You're adding 3,500 right here, 20,000 right here. You look at the buys and the sells over here, you see that it's come down just a little bit, but it came down dramatically in the beginning. So no matter what, we've got to get back on the horse, if you will, get a couple of nice big buys coming in. If we really kind of break it down, we need about $70,000-ish coming in new money over sales, okay, over the sales that happen. So we need about an extra 60, 70,000 over that to start to eat up that quantity to find new buyers. And listen, not everybody's here for the same purpose. Not everybody's here for the same reason, or we should be here for profit and for making some money. That's really what we should be looking at. And if we are, in fact, and we're willing to hodl, right? If those of us that are willing to hodl for a long time are going to hodl for a long time, then the next step to that would be finding more people to do that. And that's you, that's the community. So as a community, it's imperative that we get out there, we continue to shill this project, and we continue to make it something special. And if you do that, Tom does his part, April, Shayna, myself, we all do our parts. If Adam, Deb, if everybody involved here does what we're supposed to do, and we do it well, then guess what? Then before you know it, we'll eat this quantity of supply up, and we'll be breaking out and going absolutely parabolic. And by the way, I just want you guys to know, it would, to me, it would be parabolic if we ate up this supply just a tiny bit and we ended up at 10 million market cap. Now, that's not going to, that's not a lot. That's only about a 10x from where we are right now, or 5x from where we are, whatever the number is. So it's not a huge win, but it's a good start. And what that should do is attract new big wallets. And that's what we're looking for ultimately, is to get new big holders in here who are willing to buy and sell and do their thing on the chart. That's what we need. That's what we like to see happen. So fingers crossed. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. And Wolfpack, I don't do that wow thing right there, but I'm just kidding. I'll do it. I'll do it if you dare me. If you watch to the end and you dare me, and there's enough people daring me in the comment section down below, we're going to start doing the wolf. So also, and this is very important, you have a good day. And we'll talk to you again very, very soon.